Instead of pulling out a gun, shooting each other, knuckle it up, nigga. Best man winning and go back to playing dice. You know, and that's how I ran my club. You know what I mean? I didn't have a problem with a fight. I told the DJ, don't never stop the music in my club. Because a fight ain't shit. We got a big club like that, and you got a fight break out, and then the DJ turn off the music, and the fight is way over there in the corner. But then everybody over here just see the crowd over there spreading out or whatever in the corner. They gonna panic. They don't know what's happening. It become pandemonium. So I tell the DJ in a minute, never turn off my music. Always keep the party going. A good fight is always welcome. You think you're going to argue like a broad. I'm telling you now, you don't like it, punch him in his face. If you ain't going to punch him in his face, shut up and party.
Let's keep on partying.
Yeah, leave it alone.
You know what I mean?
So basically what you're saying is that, you know, there was the black clubs, there was the Dominican clubs that because you got that Club 2000, now it's one of the rare times uptown where they partying together.
Yeah, because I hustled up in Washington Heights. You know what I mean?
All sorts of artists came. Let them know. The Onyx at the time
we had
came
Onyx
up.
come through there. We had Jodeci, Father MC, Mary J. Blige, Andre Harrell, Diddy, Queen Latifah, Naughty by Nature, Geronimo, Brand Nubian. I can name names all night that came through there. That was the stepping stone for a lot of them. Because remember, all they had was radio played to get the music out. Wasn't no social media to get the music out.
Dudes, that became
And
like the
mixed it
melting
with
pot.
Dominicans, exactly. Because the out-of-towners met Dominicans up there. Dudes made a lot of connects in my club.
100.
You understand what I'm saying? A lot of connects in my
imagine.
club. And I'm telling him, don't worry about nothing, come.
You good,
And then he
yeah.
gets shot, I got to get shot. You know, and that's the way that play out.
So after that, you felt like you saw, you know what I mean, like shit shift in music, you know, people start mixing together. Like, did you see like the aftermath of that, how that kept manifesting?
No, I went to prison. And then when I came home, I see it now. It took me 26 years to see where I started. You know, now I'm seeing the effects of it this is 30 years ago. You know what I mean? 30 years ago, it didn't happen overnight. They was just allowed to come up there to party. You understand what I'm saying? And then go back, and that was it. That didn't mean they cool to just roam Washington Heights or roam down on 8th Avenue then. You know, I see Dominicans got barbershops in Harlem. You'd have never seen that back in our day.
No, hell no.